Hello everyone. Today we will learn about how to georeference any toposheet data. So the first step will be add any toposheet to our ArcMap. Go to your destination folder. And then from here, this is the toposheet 45 and 12. Then add. This message is appeared because there is unknown spatial reference, because this toposheet is not georeference. So this message will appear. Then click here OK. Then you can see here this is our toposheet, and in this session we are going to georeference this toposheet. So to georeference any toposheet, the first step is to convert latitude and longitude from degree, minute, second to decimal degree, right? So in our previous video we already discussed about how to convert DMS to DD. So from this corner you can check here, this value is our longitude value, that is 75 degree 30 minutes, and this is the latitude value, which is 26 degree 15 minutes. And then next, and here you can see at the right top corner, the longitude is 75 degree 45 minutes and latitude is 26 degree 15 minutes, right? So in this way, by using these coordinates, we are going to georeference any toposheet, this toposheet, right? So the first step will be, the next step will be, just right click here and then select the tool georeference. So georeferencing, here this is the tool for georeferencing, and then start georeferencing. Firstly, choose the georeferencing layer from here, from this drop down arrow. So I select this toposheet and now use this add control point. So select this add control point and zoom the corner at full extent, and then use this add control point. So first left click and then right click. Here this x is the longitude and here y is the latitude. So put the values of longitude and latitude. So here the longitude value is 75 degree 30 minutes. So to convert this degree minute second 75 degree 30 minutes, this 75 degree 30 minutes will be converted in 75.5. So this will be the value 75.5, and for this latitude value here is 26 degree 15 minutes, means 26.25. 26.25. Then okay, right? Again zoom to layer, here second point, zoom to full extent, and then here again add the control point. So first left and then right. So first left and then right click. Again this here x is the longitude value, so 75 degree 45 minutes, which means 75.75. And here this is the 5, and here latitude value is 26 degree 15 minutes, which means 26.25. Then okay, next is zoom to layer, and now this the right bottom corner, zoom it, then use this control point, then left click and then right click. So here put the values as 75 degree. The longitude is the 75 degree 45 minutes, and latitude is the 26 degree 0 minutes. So convert it in the degree decimal, and this is the value. 26 degree 0 minutes means 26 degree. Now zoom to extend, zoom to layer, then again zoom it from here, and the longitude value for it is 75 degree 30 minutes, and latitude value is 26 degree 0 minutes. So again use this add control point, first left and then right. Now again this value will be 75 degree 30 minutes means 75.5. 5, and this is the 26, and then okay, right? So in this way all four corners add the control points to the all four corners of the topo sheet, right? So our next step will be, this is the view link table. So click on this, and here you can see this link indicates all the 4 points which we put in on the 4 corners, right? And here x source and y source indicates that the screen coordinates, and here x map and y map indicates the reference points that we have input, right? Then residual x and residual y are the errors that software has calculated. Okay, so here you can see the total RMS error is 0.0001, which should be less than 0.01. This RMS error should be less than 0.01, but our value is 0.0001. It means our georeferencing process is accurate. Then close this, and then the next step is go to georeferencing and then rectify. Now select your destination folder in which you want to save your data. So destination folder is already given, and then here you can change the name of your raster data, as I give it as a rectify, and then save. So process is going on. It may take some time to export any raster data, and after this step, we will define the projection. So projection can be defined by using the catalog or catalog panel, or by using the ARC toolbox. So this may take time. This may take time, so please wait. So in this way, we can put all the 4 points on the all 4 corners of the topo sheet, and then our topo sheet is now going to rectify. This may take some time. Now add your data from here, add data, and choose your the folder in which you save your rectified topo sheet. So here, this is our rectified topo sheet, and then click on add data, add, and now, okay. So this is our rectified topo sheet, but the rectification process is not completed, because the next step is the to define projection. So to define projection, go to this catalog panel, and then go to your destination folder. And this is our image. So first remove it from here, and then you can see here, this is our raster the topo sheet, and then right click here, and then go to properties. Now here you can see spatial reference is not undefined, so go to this edit, and then choose your projection system. So this file is now, this topo sheet is now projected. So next step is add new ArcMap, and then add the rectified topo sheet. So add, click on this add, and then add data from here, and this is our rectified topo sheet. Then add. Now right click here, and then go to properties, and then you can check the spatial reference is defined. It means the projection is defined for this topo sheet. So this is the process how to geo-reference any topo sheet using all 4 corners coordinate system of the 4 corners of the topo sheet. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, then please like, share, and comment.